Hi friends, welcome to Priyat Creations. This is Priyavarshini. So today I'm going to explain you about microorganisms. So let's get into the video. First, we will discuss about what are microorganisms. Microorganisms are the organisms which are present in air, water, etc. And we cannot see them with our naked eyes. But we can see them with only microscope. Basically, microorganisms are the organisms which we cannot see with naked eyes, but we can see them with only microscope because they are too small to see. We have 6 main different types of microorganisms which are present in environment. So they are: first one is bacteria, second one is fungi, third one is protozoa, fourth one is algae, fifth one is microarthropods, and sixth one is virus. So now we have 6 different types of microorganisms which are present in our environment. So these are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, microarthropods, virus. So now let's discuss about these microorganisms. So first one is bacteria. Bacteria is a member of a large group of unicellular microorganisms which have cell wall but lack organelles and an organized nucleus. Basically, bacteria is a microorganism which is present in environment and it is a single cell organism. These are the examples of bacteria: Coccus, Bacillus, Lactobacillus. Second one is fungi. A fungi is a member of eukaryotic organisms that includes microorganisms such as yeast, molds, as well as familiar mushrooms. Basically, fungi is a member of eukaryotic organisms which includes such as yeast, molds and mushrooms and spoils the food, and some fungi are present on corners of the wall. Examples are Penicillium, Rhizopus also called as bread mold, and Aspergillus. Third one is protozoa. Protozoa is a informal term for a group of single-celled organisms either free living that feed on organic matter such as other organic tissues. So basically, protozoa is another type of eukaryote organism which feed on other organic tissue. So the protozoa examples are amoeba, paramecium, vorticella. Now fourth one is algae. Algae are the diverse group of aquatic organisms that have the ability to conduct photosynthesis. Basically, algae are the other groups of aquatic organisms that can conduct the photosynthesis. Examples are Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, Diatom. Fifth one is microarthropods. Soil microarthropods are include small invertebrate animals with a exoskeleton and segmented body. Basically, microarthropods are the organisms which are present in soil, and it includes small invertebrate animals with an exoskeleton and segmented body. Examples of microarthropods are Scabismite, Alashmite, Daphnia. The sixth one is virus. A virus is a submicroscopic infectious agent that replicates only inside of living cell as an organism. So basically, a virus is submicroscopic organism which act as non-living outside the body, and when entered the body, it doubles and infects the body. So the best example for virus is coronavirus. Now we have learned 6 different types of microorganisms. Now I would like to explain you about deadly virus called COVID-19 and its symptoms and precautions. COVID-19 are the group of related RNA virus that cause disease in mammals and birds. In humans and birds, they cause respiratory tract infections that can range from mild to lethal. The symptoms of COVID-19 are: first one is fever, second one is dry cough, third one is tiredness, fourth one is aches and pains, Fifth one is sore throat. Sixth one is headache. Seventh one is loss of taste or smell. These are the symptoms of COVID-19. Now precautions of COVID-19. First one is clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol based hand rub. Second one is maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Third one is wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Fourth one, don't touch your eyes, nose, and mouth. Fifth one, cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Sixth one, stay home if you feel unwell. Seventh one, if you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. So these are the precautions of COVID-19. That's it for today. If you like, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.